how to log out Kucoin on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now to log out of your Kucoin account, first of all on your mobile device, launch the Kucoin application. And if you're already logged in, now again if you would like to log out of your account, once you land on your home page, now head over to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon with the initials of your profile name at the upper left corner. So tap on there. Now once you get to this interface, scroll down a bit and under security you will get settings option. Tap on there. You will land on settings page. Here if you scroll down all the way to the end, you will find logout option. Simply tap on logout, again tap on confirm, and then you'll be logged out of your Kucoin account. And I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.